Welcome friends, welcome back to the kitchen, welcome back to Cocktails After Dark. Today we're going to do another cocktail out of this old book, the Old Waldorf Bar Days, published in 1931 at the height of Prohibition in New York City. And it is a memoir of all of the recipes that used to be served at the bar, sort of a compendium of the history of cocktails at the Old Waldorf Bar. Today we're going to do something called the Daniel de Rouge. And the Daniel de Rouge uses this, Calisaya, which is a pretty much dead cocktail ingredient. Difficult to find, difficult to get your hands on. I think there's only one manufacturer, but it is, in my mind, absolutely fantastic. I've really enjoyed everything that I've had with it. So we start out, and this is equal parts Calisaya and Old Tom Gin. So I'm going to do this two ways, two different Old Tom Gins. This is an Old Tom Gin from England, and this one is a local Old Tom Gin from Kinsip, and it features botanicals from local to our area. Next in is a couple dashes of orange bitters. Now, ice these down. And give them a stir. Stirring with two hands is more difficult than you might imagine. Okay, got a couple of Nick and Nora's iced down. And strain into the glass. The Daniel de Rouge. Hey, Jules.
Hey, Glen. Hey, friends.
So, the Daniel de Rouge. Orange bitters, Old Tom Gin, and Calisaya.
Okay.
I've made it with two different types of gin, or two different brands of Old Tom Gin.
I'm guessing this is the Kinsip because it's got that
It's got more
orangey
of an orangey
tone to it.
Yeah. Okay, so I'll try this one first. And
So I don't want to say anything. It's kind of, this one's kind of a bittery flavor, but last time I did this, the Kinsip was just that much sweeter and
Yes.
that much more pleasant. So,
delightful.
okay, slightly bitter.
Okay, let's try the opposite ones.
Yeah.
Exact same experience. Okay, so
I wonder if at the time when they were doing these gins, if gins were more likely to be
a little sweeter.
or a little sweeter.
Here's the deal. A couple of weeks ago, we did the beer special cocktail, which was beer wine and Old Tom Gin without the orange bitters, just the two components. Beer is a cantina. Cantina and Calisaya are essentially the same thing. One is a red wine base and one is a neutral grain spirit base. So they bring the same flavor components. And that's something that I find over and over in these old cocktail books. Exact same recipes, different names. One calls for Calisaya and one will call for beer.
So now I'm kind of wishing I had
The other
beer. It was the beer cocktail special or something of that.
Yeah,
that was the name of it.
The beer special cocktail.
Sorry, wrong way. Special cocktail. And then this one, who has a French name, is all I can remember.
Daniel de Rouge.
De Rouge. Yeah, I wonder if we made.
In my memory, they're similar and a similar experience between the two types of gin, the two brands of gin.
Okay, you've got the thing. Can we make this one?
Okay.
With that?
Okay, quickly, let's go. Beer special cocktail. Mixing glass. 1 ounce of beer. 1 ounce of Kinsip, because this is the one we really liked. Stir it up. And strain it out. Okay.
Okay, so that's the
Beer special. These are the two made with the Kinsip.
The beer and I forget what it's called.
Daniel de Rouge.
No, the
Oh, Calisaya.
Calisaya.
Okay.
Calisaya.
Which do you want to try first?
Well, this one's on my side.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
I'd say this one is just slightly sweeter.
A little bit sweeter.
And other than that, they're very similar in their flavor profile. They should be, right?
Okay.
Oh, you think that's the secret
Well,
ingredient?
I'm going to say let's even the playing field a little bit.
Oh, because there wasn't any in the other one.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. They are more alike now.
Yeah.
They are more alike, and there's just, I'd still say that one's just slightly sweeter.
Slightly sweeter.
And so, wow, both fabulous.
Yes.
So it doesn't matter what you have. If you have this one or this one,
It's, yeah.
you could almost make the same cocktails.
You could, yes. So, depending on where you live and what you can get your hands on, I think this is a good one. You might have to go through a bunch of gins to find the gin that works, though.
For you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because definitely this gin, neither of us like it in this cocktail.
No. They're not interchangeable per se, but you could,
Yeah,
they seem
they're
to
very
be
similar.
good substitutes. Since they're both hard to get hold of,
Yeah.
go with the one you've got.
So, keep experimenting. Keep trying. Keep trying to make it your own. Thanks for stopping by. See you again soon.